Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video we are going to check the how you can learn the Python language free for the data science, and friend also you will get this type of certificates. And friend, it is absolutely free. You can take this course from any country. So please watch the video complete. We are going to check the all these things, means what types of things you will learn and how you have to register. So please watch the video complete. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, this free certification course for the Python language is provided by the Kaggle, and you can see here this course is require a total 5 hours, and friend it is a self-paced, so whenever you will get the free times you can complete this course. And friend, also you can see here what types of lessons you will learn. So let's check it. So friend, you can see the first module you will learn, that is Hello Python, in which you will get the quick introduction to Python, syntax, their variable assignments and numbers. And friend, also you will get the tutorials as well as the exercise. So in the exercise you will get the your practical practices, so which is a very good thing. And friend, you can also learn the in the second module, that is functions and getting help. So you will learn the functions like calling functions, then defining your own and using Python's built-in documentation. And in the lesson number 3 you can see you will learn the booleans and conditionals, and also you will use the booleans for branching logic. So this type of things you will learn. And friend, in the lesson number 4 you can see here list. So list and the things you can do with them, and also include indexing, slicing and mutating. So this type of things you will learn, friend. And once you again scroll down, then you can see here lesson number 5 is given, that is loops and list comprehension. So you will learn the for and while loops, then and much loved Python features, list and their comprehensions. And in the lesson number you can see strings and dictionaries. So you will work with the strings and dictionaries and two fundamentals Python data types. And also you can see here you will work with the external libraries, like you can see imports, operator, overloading, then survival tips for venturing and into the world of external libraries. So friend, this type of things you will learn. And you can see here once you click on this any lessons, you will get the details. So once you click, friend, then you can see here this type of things will appear, and you can see here contents are given, so you can read it and understand it. So this type of things you will get. And friend, also you can see here you can see total hours required to earn certificate is 5. And friend, you can see one of the very important thing is given here, that is you can see here no cost, and it is absolutely free, so you did not have to worry and pay anything. And friend, this course is provided by the, you can see, professor, that is Colin Morris, and also you can see their profiles. So friend, let's check what types of certificates you will get, and after that we are going to check how you have to register. So let's check it. So you can see here, friend, after completion you will get this type of certificates, you can see. And also you can see here you will get the logo of the Kaggle and certificate of completion. And friend, you can see your name will be printed here, and on which date you have completed will be showing here. And friend, you can see it is authorized by the Kaggle instructor and also head of Kaggle learn. So it is a very good certificates. And friend, the best thing is that you will learn the Python language free. So and they are having very good contents. And let's check how you have to register. So friend, before going to check the register, if you have not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification videos, internship, interview tips related videos. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. And also friend, please like and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, so that everyone can get the advantage of this course. So friend, let's check how you have to register. So friend, for registering, on the top side you can see register button is given, so you have to click on that. And once you click, friend, then this type of page will come. Then you can see here two options, that is you can either register with the Google or with your email ID. So we are going to check through email ID. So for that you have to click on that, and once you click, friend, then this type of page will come. Then you can see you can select any one option. So currently we are going to check through email ID, so we have to click on that. And once you click, then this type of page will come, in which you have to provide your username, or you can also provide your email ID, and you have to create one password, and you have to click on this sign in. So once you create, your login ID password will be created, and you will receive the your email verification email on the your email ID, from where you can activate it and you can log in and complete this course. And also please get this type of certificates. You can share these certificates on your LinkedIn profile, or you can show in your interview also. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this free certification courses, please comment in the video, and we are trying to resolve it. And if you have any particular topic in mind that on which we can create a video, friend, please comment. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.